So we provide a very dynamic, vibrant environment here in the school. Biological sciences is right at the heart of some of the biggest challenges that face our society today. Things like climate change, water quality, air quality, food security, where our food comes from, through to our health and our well-being, through to issues, for example, in around plant health, animal health, and the health of our people.
In the School of Biological Sciences, we offer 9 undergraduate degree subjects with different options for study. The Biological Sciences pathway offers the greatest flexibility and the widest range of module choice. There's also flexibility within programmes such as microbiology, marine biology, zoology and environmental management. Students can complete a BSc honours degree in 3 years. You can choose to add a placement year or in some cases continue through to an MSci. So there are study routes that can range from 3 years up to 5 years.
We offer 7 master's programmes within the school that all build on the strengths of both our fundamental and applied research. These courses are aligned to some of society's most pressing challenges, including how we safely and equitably feed the world's growing population, respond to and mitigate the climate emergency and the associated loss of biodiversity, and provide solutions to complex health challenges through the One Health paradigm.
Our students will access state-of-the-art facilities which range from lecture theatres, seminar rooms, laboratories, through to when they go out to field stations, when they go out to our marine facilities, which is absolutely critical to our education.
Placements are a key part of their degree, giving students real-world experience and helping them build professional networks. These placements can be taken locally or internationally across sectors such as biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, environmental consultancy, agri-food and healthcare. Recently, students have completed placements in research labs in Thailand, farms in New Zealand and wildlife sanctuaries in Canada.
For all of these experiences, our students see firsthand how the skills they're developing translate into meaningful careers that will have real-world impact.
On placement, I was able to develop my lab skills better. I got a real insight into what it is like to work in an industry setting, particularly in a microbiology lab, and I came out of that experience feeling more confident in my future career choices.
Our courses are developed with the future employability of our graduates in mind. All of our courses benefit from being taught by active researchers from the school and from our international network of industry and academic collaborators.
Our researchers and our research community are fully embedded in our education platforms. Students come into a very dynamic, vibrant community with our world-leading researchers, supported by many postdoctoral researchers and many postdoctoral students.
The field courses really are a highlight and often the part of the degree that students remember most. On a field course, you're out in the environment, whether that's coastal systems, forests, or more specialised habitats like peatlands, and you're applying your knowledge in a very real way. You might be carrying out biodiversity surveys, identifying species, collecting and analysing ecological data, or working on small research projects in groups. There is a really strong emphasis on teamwork and problem solving when in the field, and it's one of those experiences where everything just starts to come together. The theory, the practical skills and the real world application, and is a highlight for most of our students.
The highlight of my experience so far has definitely been the first year biodiversity field course. I was able to take all of the experience I'd gained on lab work and things I learned in lessons and apply it to a real world setting of ecology. I also met some of my best friends on my course there and I got to know some of the lecturers better.
One of the things that I am most proud of in the school is the sense of community. Students feel really quickly part of something here. They support each other, they engage with staff and really develop a strong sense of belonging over the course of their degree.
By graduation, students not only leave with a degree, but also with practical experience, professional networks and an industry insight, all of which makes a real difference in a competitive job market.
I would absolutely recommend the School of Biological Sciences. My experience here has been so great, and even outside of my study, they've offered me so many other opportunities, such as being a course rep and getting involved in mentoring programmes, career programmes and placements.